Good morning, students. Welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to learn about Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi's childhood story. My childhood days. The story of my experience with truth is Gandhiji's one of the famous books. We are going to learn some paragraphs from that book. My own recollection is that I had no high regard for my ability. I used to be astonished whenever I won prizes and scholarships, but I very jealously guarded my character. The least little blemish drew tears from my eyes. A rebuke from the teacher was unbearable for me. He, he recollects from his memory that he was not a smart child with a lot of abilities when he was small. He was wondered when he won prizes and scholarships because he was not that smart. When he is jealous with his teacher. He was jealous with his teacher. When his teacher scolded him, he was not able to bear the pain. He was always jealous with his teacher. He always feels like the teacher is scolding him purposefully. I remember an incident when I was in the 7th standard. Dorabji Edelji Jimmy, the headmaster, then was popular among the boys. He was a disciplinarian, a man of method, and a good teacher. He had made gymnastics and cricket compulsory for boys for the higher grades. I disliked both. I never took part in any exercise, cricket or football, before they were made compulsory. When Gandhiji was studying in 7th standard, his headmaster named Dorabji Adalji Ghimi, he was famous among the boys. He was very punctual and he was also a good teacher. He made gymnastics, crickets or football compulsory for the boys of higher grades. But Gandhiji was not interested in both. He never participated in anything before it was made compulsory. Let us go to the next page. My shyness was one of the reasons for this aloofness, which I now see was wrong. I then had a false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. Today I know that physical training should have as much place in the curriculum as mental training. He was very shy and that was the main reason for his aloofness. Do you know what is aloofness? Aloofness is being distant from rest of the crowd. Gandhiji always thought that gymnastics is of no use. It is not that important. And then he understood physical training is as important as mental education. I may mention, however, that I was none the worse for abstaining from exercise. That was because I had read in books about the benefits of long walks in the open air, and having liked the advice, I had formed a habit of taking walks, which was still remained with me. These walks gave me a fairly hardy constitution. He was very lazy to do exercises at that time. At that time, he will be engaged in some other works. During the time for exercises, he used to go for a walk. He has already read in many books that walking in open air is good for health. It has a lot of benefits. And that habit of walking remained in him when he grew up. Okay, dears, that's all for today's class. We'll take the rest of the chapter in next class. Thank you.